Three tablespoons soya sauce. 3 tablespoons vinegar. 2 tablespoons chili sauce. 2 tablespoons milk. 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. 1 teaspoon chili flakes. Mix well. Boneless chicken. Mix well. Marinate for 2 hours. 1 cup mayonnaise. 1/2 cup ketchup. 1 tablespoon chili sauce. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper powder. Mix well. Set aside. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 1 tablespoon chicken powder. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder. Mix well. Coat in flour mixture. Dip in water. Again, coat in flour mixture. Medium heat oil. Fry on medium flame until crispy and light golden. Burger bun. Spread prepared sauce. Iceberg salad. Sliced cheese. Chicken piece.